Good morning. I am Sthiti Pragya Sahu of Standard 8 from AK Vidya Mandir.
Good morning. I am Dibyanju Senapati of Standard 9 from AK Vidya Mandir. Today's news. Singapore. Malaysia Transport Minister Vikas Yong has confirmed that a single ceremony will be held on July 30 to finalize the agreements between Singapore and Malaysia to proceed with the rapid transit system.
London. Britain on Monday, July 20 risked worsening strained ties with China as it suspended its extradition treaty with Hong Kong in protest at controversial new security law in the territory.
Geneva. South Africa's growing COVID-19 epidemic should be an alert to the rest of the continent to strengthen disease surveillance, the WHO said on Monday.
New Delhi. In a strong strategic signal to China amid the military confrontation in eastern Ladakh, a US carrier strike groups led by aircraft carrier USA Nitish conducted cooperative exercise with Indian warships in the Indian Ocean on Monday.
Scientists at Oxford University say their experimental coronavirus vaccine has been shown in the early trial to prompt a protective immune response in hundreds of people who got the shot. British researchers first began testing the vaccine in April in about 1,000 people, half of whom got the experimental vaccine. Such early trials are usually designed only to evaluate safety, but in this case, experts were also looking to see what kind of immune response was provoked.
Ayodhya. Frontline leaders of the Ram Temple movement, including L.K. Advani and Murali Manohar Joshi, are among the invitees for the Bhumi Pujan in Ayodhya on August 5, which is likely to be attended by PM Modi. Other invitees include RSS Chief Mohan Bhagwat, Union Home Minister Amit Shah, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, Bihar CM Nitish Kumar, and Maharashtra CM Uddhav Thackeray.
A total of 104 doctors have died due to COVID-19 related complications till July 13 across the country. A paper written by Dr. Rajiv Jai Devan, President of the Indian Medical Association IMA Cochin, stated another 4 deaths of doctors, 3 of them in road accident, were also linked to COVID-19, taking the total number to 101 deaths.
2 experts member in the Supreme Court appointed committee on Char Dham Road project to connect the Char Dham signs in Garhwal Himalayas with an all-weather road have flagged serious issues over the widening of this 900-kilometer road to 10 meter uniformly and termed it as Himalayan blunder.
Chief Minister Navin Patnaik mourned the sad demise of Madhya Pradesh Governor Lalit Tandon. The Odisha CM said that he was deeply saddened to know the passing away of Madhya Pradesh Governor and veteran leader. Taking to Twitter, the CM also said that his thoughts and prayers are with the bereaved family.
Chief Minister Navin Patnaik expressed deep grief at the passing away of renowned Odia film actor, director Vijay Mahanti. Navin described Mahanti as legendary personality who has enriched Odia film industry through his versatile talents. He had a long illustrious career in Odia film. He occupies a very special place in the hearts of millions and millions of fans across the state and outside. His death marks the end of an era in Odia film industry and has created a deep void in the industry, the Chief Minister said.
Former IS officer Priyabrata Patnaik passed away at the age of 67 yesterday morning. Sources close to his family informed.
Bhubaneswar. Fight against COVID-19 is not a water fight watertight compartment but a team effort. Backed by citizen cooperation, started the Bhubaneswar Municipal Corporation (BMC) on Monday, while seeking community support for contact tracing of positive cases.
Considering the issues faced by a normal patients to visit a hospital amid the COVID-19 restrictions, Odisha Health Department on Monday launched telemedicine service at 41 healthcare institutions in the state. Thank you. Namaskar.